Now, the main thing that's keeping this track interesting, I think, is that he's playing with interesting sounds. He didn't necessarily go for adding different elements all of the time, although that does still happen. But the main factor for this staying interesting are the sounds themselves that are interesting to listen to. So this is the foundation. So now we've looped through the foundation in two different ways, and now he's introducing these completely different sounds, but they're very interesting. So here's what I mean.